Finding the time for a quick nap in the afternoon offers a lot of benefits. A quick nap can enhance your performance, increase alertness, and improve your mood. But the problem is, many people claim that they feel more tired after a nap, and couldn't figure out the reason. The answer is simple. The nap you took is far too long. Each time we sleep, we go through a process called the sleep cycle. There are 5 stages in a sleep cycle. Each stage of sleep plays a different role in how you feel the next day. When taking a nap, you enter into the first and sometimes second stages of sleep, which are known as stages of light sleep. That's just enough to refresh you and get the benefits associated with napping. Therefore, the ideal napping time is only between 10 to 20 minutes, where you can remain in the light sleep stages instead of going further into the deep sleep and REM sleep. When you go into deeper sleep, your brain becomes less responsive to external stimuli, making it harder to wake up, and increasing the likelihood of grogginess and fatigue. This is the reason why people usually feel more tired than before they took the nap. Napping for too long can cause backfire and affect your sleep schedule at night, or cause you to be more tired in the afternoon. Naps are not meant to replace any nighttime sleep, but act as a supplement to give you the extra boost you need when you're feeling tired throughout the day. Once we sleep for more than 30 minutes, we begin to enter deep sleep. Waking from a nap this length may help us improve memory, decision-making, and creativity, but will most likely leave us feeling groggy and sluggish. Also, it may take just another 30 minutes for us to clear our minds and become productive again. If we nap for 60 minutes or more, we are in a deep sleep. Benefits of napping this long are also improved memory and creativity, but it can also make us feel sluggish. Napping is usually used to refresh our minds and make us more productive after we woke up. To do that, it is important to fix the amount of time we spend on napping. Instead of waking up naturally from a nap, we should use an alarm to wake us up after a 20-minute nap. By doing so, we can avoid falling into a deep sleep, which will only make us more tired. Hope you enjoy this video, and please do like and subscribe for more content in the future.